aunt, now you tell me, are we lacking somewhere? What is left to do for this girl now? Her father has worked so hard for her.
What is it, aunt?
What do I say, Neha? Goody has rejected yet another boy. Want rejection? He was good for nothing.
Mom, what does good for nothing means?
Nothing.
Kids don't just think about their parents. Her father worked outside and I toiled in the house. So everything worked out, or else nothing was possible. Does living alone work in today's world? There should be someone, then only can we spend our life right.
But who will explain it to her?
Mom, come, I'm hungry. Did you see? She is not concerned at all. Let it be, I'll go.
Did you hear what she was saying? A family functions well only if we both work together.
Shall I leave, aunt? I'm getting late.
What happened? Today you're leaving a bit earlier than usual.
Aunt, today I'm going to the bank. I will go and meet them personally and request them to give me more time. I feel that it will work out.
I was saying exactly the same. If anyone was there with you in life now, then wouldn't you have shared the responsibilities?
Aunt, I and Pari don't want anyone. We are both happy with each other. Right, Pari? But aunt, I didn't get the required energy today.
Why? Why did you not eat anything? Come, I'll make something for you fast.
No, aunt, not that. The thing is that I come home tired after working, right? So I need someone's smiling energy. I get energy after looking at your smile too, but there is a special smile. If I get that, then the energy doubles. Then I work very nicely. But aunt, I don't think that I will get that smile today. All right then, I will see you, aunt.
Neha, today your work will be surely done. Today I will pray for you.
I'll see you later, aunt.
Mom!
Come, my dear, smile. My dear, smile. Shall I leave now?
Yes. Bye. Aunt, come.
Come.
Yes, Chef Ali, tell me.
Where are you?
I'm just leaving home. Actually, I have some work.
Leave all that and come to the office fast.
Fast?
The whole work has got stuck due to your pending file.
Chef Ali, in fact, I was going to call you. I have some very important work. I'll be late at the office.
You know that there is already something going on here due to your late arrival. You just come fast and give that work to someone else.
I cannot give it. I will have to do it. It's very important. I cannot ignore my responsibilities like this.
Meaning?
Please manage for today.
Hello? Hello?
Almighty, how much more will you test a person just because they're acting strong? Please end the troubles in that girl's life. I will fast without drinking water. Please look after her.
Aunt, what does fasting without water means?
You hear the difficult words so fast?
Aunt, please tell me what does that mean?
Now, how do I tell you? A fast is in which we don't eat anything or even drink water at all. It's called fasting without drinking water.
But what did you tell the Almighty?
How do you pay attention everywhere like this? Nothing can ever escape your attention, right?
Aunt, tell me what did you tell the Almighty?
Look, your mom works really very hard, okay? And she's always facing some or the other trouble. That's why I told Almighty that I will observe fast without water. Is it okay? Now you want to know something much more. Go and study now.
Mighty. I will also do fast without water for Mom. Please take care of her.
Sameer, listen, Yash. If you want to talk about work, then only speak.
Why?
Just like that.
But what if I have to talk about work?
Then don't expect that I will respond.
Stop the car.
What is it? Why did you stop the car suddenly?
What do you have to do?
Means?
You just said that we'll talk when we are at work or no need to talk. Then why are you asking?
Listen to me, Yash.
Enough. I heard you only till today. And what did you say in front of grandfather? That he's just an employee, not a friend. Really? Aren't you ashamed to say it now? Sameer, even if I don't say this, but I'm very disturbed due to your behavior. When I asked you to become the boss, it's not a favor on you. You deserve it. And even if this is a part of a drama, still you know that we have much more respect for you than any other post. So if you behave and speak like this again, then I'm telling you that I'll break your face. What are you looking at?
You used to tell me this, but now I'm telling you.
What?
Look around, people are seeing. Control yourself.
The heck with your control.
Speak slowly, people are
First,
watching.
you promise that you will not behave like this.
Let's sit in the car and talk.
Leave my hand and promise.
Oh, okay. Okay. I promise I will not behave like this. Come.
Now, do you understand how I feel when you behave like this in front of other people? So I can also go ahead, even ahead of you, and then behave this way. Keep that in mind.
This is your misconception, Yashwardhan Chaudhary.
No doubt.
I'm way ahead when it comes to insulting people.
No way.
Do you want to see?
What will you do?
Are you challenging me?
What will you do?
Ladies and gentlemen, the owner of Yash Industries and JYC Industries, Yashwardhan Chaudhary, is scared. He's feeling worried and bad. Lower the window, lower the window.
Come on, don't you want to eat?
Yes, I'm hungry.
I know everything when you're hungry and when you're not. I know all your habits by now. I don't even have to look at the clock. Come on, keep it aside. Come, sit.
And you also eat with me?
Dear, today I'm fasting without food and water, right?
Oh, Almighty, I will also do fast without water for Mom.
What is it? Why did you hold my hand?
I will not eat. You only said that I have become fat, right? So I will eat with my hand.
Dear, don't be stubborn. If you don't eat properly, then mom will shout at me, right? Come.
No, I will eat myself.
Why are you always acting so stubborn? All right. Eat now. Come on, eat.
And I cannot eat if you keep looking at me.
What is this? I only feed you every day, and you cannot eat when I look at you?
And please.
All right, then I'll leave. But eat all that food. All right? I'll give uncle medicines and come. Oh my. Pari? Did you eat?
Yes.
So fast?
Yes. I was hungry, so I ate fast.
I had told you, right? One morsel should be chewed 32 times.
Alright, Dad. I will see you 32 times tomorrow.
That's why I was saying that I will feed you slowly. All right. I will sleep for a while now, huh? But don't go anywhere, okay?
Yes, Dad.
Yash, the tiffin. I'll be back, okay?
Tiffin, I mean, you had gone somewhere and now where are you rushing off to?
I'm already late. I'm going down.
You sit first, sit down. Where did you go? Tell me whenever you want, but what happened?
I had gone to the bank. I have received a notice at home, right? I'm trying to avoid the auction.
What did they say?
They are not listening. Yash, I really don't know how and what to do, you know?
Did you eat something?
I'm not hungry.
Take this. Neha, eat a little.
Now there is a financial report meeting. It won't look good if I go late.
There's no issue if you get 5 minutes late, okay? I'll see what needs to be done. You eat first.
You also eat.
I will.
Yes, Chef Ali.
The meeting will start soon. Come fast. Let's wrap this fast and go
Okay,
home.
coming. Yash, I will eat later.
Hey, yay! Catch me! Catch me! Hey, catch me! Catch me!
Catch him.
Hey, hey!
Catch him. Oh, we, oh, we, oh, we, oh, we, oh, we.
Buddy, 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 buddy.
Listen, I cannot play. I'm very tired.
No, this will not work. It's your turn. You will have to play.
You will have to play. It's your turn now.
Buddy, 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 buddy.
All right.
Ah? Pari, Pari, Mom, Pari fell down. Pari, get up, Pari, Pari, get up, get up. Pari, what happened to you, Pari?
Okay. So this is our last quarter in this year. We were trying to avoid a few things and achieve a few things at the start of the year. So,
Yes, sir. We were trying to start a few things freshly.
shall I speak or will you let me speak?
Sorry, sir.
And I'm talking about this. Neha, I need the balance sheet. Neha,
Yes?
I need the balance sheet. Neha, I asked the balance sheet from you. This is the marketing survey report.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Is our cost sheet ready? Neha? Neha,
Yes?
I'm asking you, is our cost sheet ready?
Yes, sir. Sir,
What is this going on? I'm asking something, but I'm getting something else. Are all of you not attentive today?
sir, cost sheet. It was here.
You should have checked before, right? After studying the past 9 months, we had made some changes to the production schedule. What happened after that? I'm asking all of you, what happened after that?
Sir, we all had made some changes.
I cannot see the result. If we had made the changes, then there should have been good or bad results as per the same. I cannot see it.
Sir, I'm searching for the same. It is there in this file. One moment.
Neha, but you should have checked this before the meeting, right?
Sorry, sir. I'm really sorry, sir.